Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add your own music to TikTok. Alright guys, first of all, you can open your TikTok application in your phone, and after you have your TikTok application opened, you can start creating a new post on TikTok. Click on this plus button to create a new post. Then here we can click on add sound. Okay, and if you want to add your own music, you can click on your sounds right here. Okay, and here you have two options. You can select import sound from video, or you can also choose import local sound. And I'm gonna go with this one. We can click on it. Then here you can import sounds from your device. You can import more than one sounds. And for me, I'm gonna go with this sound, for example. We can click on it. Then we can click on import sound. Okay, then we can select the sound or the song right here. Click on the check mark. Okay, now as you can see that my music or my sound from my device has been added to here, and we will be able to use this song for our TikTok edit. And you just need to take a new picture, or you can also upload a picture from your device or video, and you can upload it to your TikTok. Alright guys, and that's how we can add our own music to TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.